Before the end of 2020, Armaggeddon released 3 gaming chairs, Shuttle 2, Nebula 3 and Starship 6. 3 of them has almost the same features but different build quality. Long hour of gaming causing back pain? Don't worry lah. Super comfy premium PU leather with high density foam can cure your back pain and neck pain. This is the feature that I like the most. You can now sleep on gaming chair with the 160-degree reclining angle. Now for armrest part, you can swivel to left, right, up, down, side to side and towards all the way. As I mentioned, all of them comes with the same features but different build quality. For the back and headrest cushion, Shuttle 2 is using high-density foam, while Nebula 3 and Starship 6 offers high-density cold cure foam. Cold cure foam can prevent your body to get overheat after losing killing streaks. Seat cushion, 3 of them are using high-density cold cure foam. However, comfy experience for Shuttle 2 is slightly different compared to Nebula 3 and Starship 6. As you can see from here, Shuttle 2 seat cushion is thinner than Nebula 3 and Starship 6. Difference between thin and thick cushion, after a long time of use, you can feel the seat cushion sinking in. It's like you are sitting on a hard object. Thicker cushions can get you extra comfy experience to ensure your butt stays round all the time instead of becoming flat. For weight support, Shuttle 2 can support up to 150 kg, Nebula 3 and Starship 6 both can support up to 180 kg. These 3 gaming chairs does pique my interest and I'm impressed Armaggeddon is releasing different categories products. Hopefully we can see more interesting products from them soon. It's Urgent Chair KSQ here. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.